Hey guys, you're watching Wiederladertv. The 4570 Government is a very popular round, and there are many good reasons for this round. If you own an old or new rifle chambered in this caliber, you may want to reload this round here. It's very expensive if you have to buy them from the factory. And if you reload this round, you can load it as weak, so you have a plinking round without problems. And on the other hand, you can reload this round here, that it has so much power you can hunt a grizzly bear with it. I choose to go with a modern rifle chambered in 4570 Government. It's a single loading rifle made by Bergara in Spain. You may not know Bergara as a manufacturer for guns, but in the United States you know CVA. I hope I pronounced it right. And CVA comes with Bergara barrels, and I think this whole rifle is made by Bergara. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. And I choose to go with a Bergara BA13 TD. It's a takedown rifle, very compact and chambered for the mighty 4570 Government. And that's what this video here is about. Hope you like it. It's a single shot rifle, so safety check is done very fast. Nothing in the chamber, so we are good to go. Here in Germany we have to pay around about 680 euros for this rifle here. And for this money you get a lot of weapon. It comes with everything you can see here except the loophole scope and the rings. But the Picatinny base is included and the finish is very good. My Bergara comes with a 20-inch barrel. The barrel is fluted and the muzzle is threaded. The BA13 is ambidextrous. It starts with a sample stock and the loading mechanism is very easy. You have to pull down the trigger guard, then you can break the action, insert a round in the chamber, close the action, and then you have to cock the gun. And when this is in cocked position, the trigger breaks with a minimum pull, very crisp and clear. Perfect. Do you want to see more of the BA13 TD? Okay, so let's go to the shooting range and test the accuracy of this rifle. For this video I use factory ammo made by Remington. It comes with a 405 grain bullet, and you have to enjoy this ammo here, it's pretty expensive. Okay, let's go. Here you can see my 5-shot group. Distance to target was 50 meters and this was done offhand. With a little support, shooting groups was much easier, but even in this position there is the problem of the guy behind the gun. But overall, accuracy is very decent. And the recoil of the 4570 Government, at least from this factory round, was not that much. And if you reload your ammo, you would love this. The brass is perfect, it never makes contact to the ground. If you would like to transport or clean this rifle here, you could take it down very fast. Remove the handguard like you are used to from your shotgun. Here we go. And then you have to break the action like you would do if you would load this rifle here. And that's it. Now you can clean your rifle or transport it here in a very short bag. Assembly of the rifle is very easy and very fast. Also, just put it together, close the action, connect the handguard, and that's it. Okay guys, and this was my short video about the Bergara BA13 TD. You will see more videos about the 4570 Government in future. I would like to reload this with black powder and different smokeless powders. I would like to check some different bullets, and yeah, here and there you will see a video about it. I hope you enjoyed this little video here. If so, please give a thumb up. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about this rifle here and what you think about the 4570 Government. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thank you very much for taking the time watching my video. Hope I see you next at Wiederladertv.